Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Kishore the Rider. So this video is related to Bluarmor A10. So that's an helmet AC. Already earlier I have done a video for Blue Snap 2, and this is the next upgraded version. But this doesn't have any options for intercom. But if you are looking for intercom or Bluetooth features, so you can buy E20, so that is also good. And I got this A10 product, and now I'm unboxing it. And finally the box has been opened, and the packing is pretty good. And this is the device. Here you can see it is almost like similar to what you have seen in the Blue Snap 2, but a little bit change in the design part. And the accessories I got with this is like a cable or charger, and a set of instructions like how to use and how to install. And this is another instructions. It has like A10 and E20 for both the devices. It has all the instructions, so whatever the instructions you needed for A10, so you go only with those, so do not get confused with it. And this is the device I got. See how it is. And in between you can see there is a modular extension. So just in case if your helmet front width is more, then you can use that extension. Otherwise you can directly use this product as is, so you may not need the extension part. Now we have what are the experiences we'll be getting through this Bluarmor A10, and a set of instructions, and what are the pre-ride checklist before using it, what we have to do. And even there is a customer care number where you can actually contact them through WhatsApp. And of course the response is like pretty good. They are responding very quickly and they are solving the issues. Also I got there is a letter from the CEO, like keeping a plan or something in mind to actually making it a reality. Now the product, this is a made in India product, and we have received this. And I have used this product already, and it's like compared to the Blue Snap 2, if in your city the temperatures are high, so I suggest you to go to this Bluarmor A10 rather switching to Blue Snap 2, because the Blue Snap 2 have just one level of control, fan control, but this has like 3 level of controls, so which can be used based on the temperature outside. You can switch it just similar to the fan. And as I said, the only drawback from this, the size, like if you are using an adventure helmet, there you might get a problem when you're turning your head, but otherwise this is pretty awesome. So that's the experience I have faced from this. So if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section and I'll be responding to you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.